Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hiya.
What's your voice?
Hiya.
Sorry, I know you asked me, but
That's okay. We can all share them if you want.
look at her channel. Yeah, it's called, you need to write in my first vlog ever and then you type in Brooke Vlogs at the end. Yeah! Oh no, it's not Brooke Vlogs, it's Brooke Kelly. I changed it. Always plug.
Yeah. Crisps matter. They matter a lot. So,
Bye bye.
yeah. Sauce.
So today we're gonna see who can make the best sheep noise. Go Eva. Go Brooke. Mine is comment down below who you think won. Next animal noise. Olivia, do your sheep noise.
What?
Do your sheep noise. Comment down below who you think won. Comment down below who you think won.
Pick me.
Pick Brooke, pick me. I'm the legend. Stay down there.
Let me hear.
Plus he's got a really nice dog.
Brooke, let me
Huh?
hear yours.
Huh? Right. Yay!
Hi.
Right.
What's the next sheep noise?
What's the next animal noise? Let's do a cow. Let's do a cow.
A cow.
Moo.
Moo.
Move out the way. Move.